AirPods Pro 3 include Live Listen and Boost features designed to assist with mild to moderate hearing loss. Live Listen turns your iPhone into a remote microphone, capturing and streaming audio to your AirPods. This is perfect for noisy environments or hearing distant sounds. To enable Live Listen, open Control Center on your iPhone, tap the hearing button, and enable Live Listen. Then place your iPhone near the sound source. Boost enhances low-frequency sounds without overwhelming higher frequencies, improving speech clarity in various situations. To adjust Boost, go to Settings, Accessibility, Hearing Devices, select AirPods Pro 3 and customize Boost for left and right ears. Both features require pairing with an iPhone running iOS 15.3 or later. These are over-the-counter compatible devices, not medical hearing aids. For optimal hearing assistance, combine Live Listen and Boost. Live Listen captures distant sounds while Boost amplifies specific frequencies. Adjust Boost settings to your preference for each ear. Access these controls in the Hearing Devices settings. These features work best when your AirPods Pro 3 firmware is up to date. Ensure you are running the most current firmware via the Settings app in iOS. While convenient, consult an audiologist for personalized hearing solutions and professional tuning.